In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and manage your custom fonts using the Creative Cloud desktop app. Understanding how to integrate your unique fonts can really deepen your design potential and create one-of-a-kind projects that showcase your individual style. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we'll begin by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is typically where you'll manage all of your Adobe software and additional features, so it's vital you're familiar with navigating around. Once you're in, take a glance around the home interface. What we're looking for next is the Fonts icon, which is often represented by a simple F, or possibly under the Fonts section, depending on your version. Clicking this will take us directly where we need to be to start working with your fonts. Over on the left-hand side of your screen, you should now see an option labeled Uploaded Fonts. Go ahead and select that. This is your base for adding all your unique font files. It's here that creativity really starts to flow, as you'll be able to bring your personalized touch into your design work. At this point, you can upload your font files. These typically come in TTF or .otf formats, which are the standard for most typography files. A quick tip here. Before you drag and drop your fonts into this section, or browse your system to find them, double-check that their file size doesn't exceed the 512 MB limit. It's also crucial to make sure that you've got the proper licensing for these fonts, which ensures they are legally compliant for your projects. If everything looks good with your font files, you'll likely be prompted to confirm the license rights, often referred to as EULA, or End User License Agreement. Make sure you agree to these terms, as it's a standard procedure to protect both you and the creators of the fonts. Once you confirm that EULA and click Add, your fonts will be uploaded and integrated into the Creative Cloud ecosystem. We're nearing the end of the process now. What's left to do is to sign in on your other devices using the same Adobe ID. By doing this, you'll instantly sync your newly uploaded fonts across all your devices, making them available not only in Illustrator, but throughout all your Adobe applications. This synchronization is incredibly useful for designers on the go or those who frequently switch between different workstations. And that's it, folks. You're all set to start designing with your newly added fonts. It's a straightforward process that can vastly expand your design toolkit and give you the ability to experiment and create more personalized designs. Happy designing!